Space. It's vast and mysterious. It stretches out in all directions, seemingly infinite, and holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. It's full of wonders that we are just beginning to understand. From the swirling clouds of gas and dust that birth new stars to the enigmatic black holes that challenge our understanding of physics. When we look up at the night sky, we see a tiny glimpse of the incredible universe that surrounds us. Each star we see is a distant sun, many with their own planets and possibly even life. We live on a planet called Earth, a small blue world orbiting a star we call the Sun. Our planet is unique, teeming with life and covered in vast oceans and lush forests. Our Sun is just one of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Each star is a potential host to its own solar system with planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. And the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. Each galaxy contains millions or even billions of stars, making the universe a truly vast and awe-inspiring place. Space is so vast that it's hard to imagine its size. The distances between stars and galaxies are measured in light years. The distance light travels in 1 year, which is nearly 6 trillion miles. But even though it seems distant, space affects us every day. The gravitational pull of the moon influences our ocean tides, and solar flares from the sun can impact our communication systems. The sun gives us light and warmth, essential for life on Earth, and the moon controls the tides, creating the rhythmic rise and fall of our oceans. So let's take a journey through space and explore some of its most fascinating objects. From the fiery surfaces of stars to the icy moons of distant planets, there's so much to discover. From stars to planets to black holes, there's much to discover. Each object in space has its own story, its own mysteries, and its own role in the grand tapestry of the universe. Stars are the building blocks of galaxies. They are the luminous beacons that light up the vast expanse of the universe, guiding our understanding of the cosmos. They are giant balls of hot gas that produce light and heat through nuclear fusion. This process occurs in their cores, where hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing immense energy. Stars are born in clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. These stellar nurseries are the cradles of star formation, where gravity pulls the gas and dust together to form new stars. Our Sun is a medium-sized star. It provides the energy necessary for life on Earth, making it the most important star for us. It's about halfway through its life cycle, having burned for approximately 4.6 billion years and expected to shine for another 5 billion years. Other stars are much bigger and hotter than our Sun. These massive stars burn their fuel quickly and have shorter lifespans. Some are smaller and cooler, like red dwarf stars, which can burn for trillions of years due to their slow fusion rates. Stars can shine for billions of years, their light traveling across the universe to reach us, telling the story of their distant origins. When they eventually run out of fuel, they die. The manner of their death depends on their mass. Some stars explode as supernovae, creating some of the most spectacular events in the universe. These explosions scatter elements into space, contributing to the cosmic cycle of matter. Stars are not just beautiful to look at. Their twinkling lights have inspired countless myths, stories, and scientific discoveries throughout human history. They also play a vital role in the universe. Stars are the forges where elements heavier than hydrogen and helium are created. They create the elements that make up everything around us, including ourselves. From the calcium in our bones to the iron in our blood, we're all made of star stuff. Planets are celestial bodies that orbit stars. They are fascinating objects that come in a variety of sizes, compositions, and characteristics, each with its own unique story to tell. They are much smaller than stars and do not produce their own light. Instead, they reflect the light of the stars they orbit, creating a beautiful dance of light and shadow in the vastness of space. Our solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet is unique with its own set of characteristics, atmospheres, and potential for hosting life. Some are rocky like Earth, with solid surfaces and mountains, while others are gas giants like Jupiter, composed mostly of hydrogen and helium with no solid surface to stand on. Some planets have rings like Saturn, which boasts the most spectacular ring system in our solar system, made up of ice and rock particles that create a stunning visual display. Others have moons like Jupiter and Saturn, which have dozens of natural satellites, each with its own unique features and mysteries waiting to be explored. Scientists believe that there are billions of planets in the Milky Way galaxy alone. These planets vary widely in size, composition, and distance from their parent stars, creating a diverse and dynamic cosmic landscape. Some of these planets may be similar to Earth and could potentially support life. These Earth-like exoplanets are of particular interest to scientists, as they may hold the key to understanding whether life exists elsewhere in the universe. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most exciting areas of space exploration. Scientists use advanced telescopes and space probes to scan the skies for signs of life, looking for planets with the right conditions to support living organisms. Finding evidence of life on another planet would be a profound discovery. It would not only change our understanding of the universe, but also our place within it, opening up new possibilities for exploration and perhaps even future colonization. Galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter held together by gravity. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy with a barred center. It contains billions of stars, including our Sun. There are billions of galaxies in the observable universe. They come in different shapes and sizes. Some are elliptical, some are spiral, and some are irregular. Galaxies are constantly moving and interacting with each other. Sometimes galaxies collide, creating spectacular displays of light and energy. Studying galaxies helps us understand the structure and evolution of the universe. By observing distant galaxies, we can look back in time and see how the universe has changed over billions of years. Section 5. Gravity, the force that holds it together. Gravity is a fundamental force of nature that attracts any two objects with mass. The more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. Gravity is what holds the Earth in orbit around the Sun and the Moon in orbit around the Earth. Gravity plays a crucial role in the formation and evolution of stars, planets, and galaxies. It's the force that causes gas and dust to collapse and form stars. It's also the force that keeps planets in orbit around stars and stars bound together in galaxies. Gravity is a relatively weak force, but it acts over vast distances. It's the force that shapes the universe on the largest scales. Section 6. Black holes, mysteries of the universe. Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in the universe. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. The boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape is called the event horizon. Once something crosses the event horizon, it can never escape the black hole's gravitational pull. Black holes are invisible to telescopes because they don't emit light. However, scientists can detect them by observing their effects on nearby stars and gas. Section 7. Light years, measuring the immense distances. Space is vast, and the distances between objects are enormous. To measure these distances, astronomers use a unit called a light year. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, which is about 5.88 trillion miles. The nearest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.24 light years away. This means that the light we see from Proxima Centauri today left the star 4.24 years ago. The vast distances in space mean that we are seeing objects as they were in the past. When we look at distant galaxies, we are seeing them as they were billions of years ago. Section 8, Space Exploration, unveiling the secrets. Humans have always been fascinated by space. For centuries, we have been observing the stars and planets, trying to understand our place in the cosmos. In the 20th century, we finally achieved the dream of space travel. Since the first human space flight in 1961, we have sent probes to all the planets in our solar system and beyond. We have landed rovers on Mars, studied the atmosphere of Jupiter, and captured images of distant galaxies. Space exploration has not only expanded our knowledge of the universe, but has also led to technological advancements that benefit us here on Earth. Section 9. The importance of space studies. Studying space is essential for understanding our place in the universe and addressing some of the biggest questions facing humanity. Space exploration and research can lead to new technologies, resources, and solutions to global challenges. By studying other planets, we can learn more about our own planet and how to protect it. By searching for life beyond Earth, we can gain a deeper understanding of the origins and evolution of life itself. Investing in space exploration and research is an investment in our future. It inspires the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and ingenuity. Section 10, Conclusion: The Never-Ending Quest. The universe is a vast and mysterious place full of wonders waiting to be discovered. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, there is so much more to learn about the cosmos. As we continue to explore space, we will undoubtedly make new and exciting discoveries that will challenge our understanding of the universe and our place in it. The quest to explore space is a never-ending journey of discovery. It's a journey that inspires us, challenges us, and reminds us of the incredible beauty and complexity of the universe we live in.